Understanding A Thorn in One's Side. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, a thorn in one's side. This expression is a colorful way to describe a persistent problem or annoyance. Stick around as we explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in conversation. Let's get started. The phrase, a thorn in one's side, refers to a continuous source of irritation or distress. Imagine having an actual thorn stuck in your side. It would cause discomfort and annoyance until removed. Similarly, when someone or something is a thorn in your side, it means they consistently cause trouble or irritation that is hard to get rid of. This expression is often used to describe problematic people, challenging tasks, or recurring issues. The origin of a thorn in one's side can be traced back to the Bible, specifically in the book of Numbers chapter 33 verse 55, where it is mentioned as a metaphor for ongoing troubles or challenges. Over the centuries, this biblical expression evolved into a common idiom in the English language, retaining its metaphorical meaning to describe persistent problems. To better understand how to use a thorn in one's side, let's look at some examples. In personal contexts, my neighbor's loud music is a real thorn in my side. It makes it hard for me to concentrate on my work. In professional environments, this software bug has been a thorn in our side for weeks, and we still haven't found a fix. In literary uses, writers often use this phrase to describe a character's ongoing struggle, such as, the unresolved mystery of her past was a thorn in her side, haunting her every decision. When you want to use a thorn in one's side in conversation, consider the context and ensure it's appropriate for the situation. It's best used to express frustration or annoyance over a problem that is not easily resolved. Here are some tips. Be descriptive. Pair the phrase with specific details about the problem to make your point clearer. Keep it light. While it can describe serious issues, it's also common in more light-hearted or slightly exasperated contexts. That wraps up our exploration of a thorn in one's side. We hope this video has shed light on this expressive phrase and how you can incorporate it into your English vocabulary. Remember, learning these idiomatic expressions can add color and depth to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language tips. Happy learning!